Hi everyone, let's solve this problem. Y equal to u over v. Find the y dx, part 5. If you are coming across this video for the first time, part 1 has to do with how to differentiate from the first principle. Second one deal with the Pascal triangle. Third one focusing on the fraction. The fourth one focusing on the product rule. And now part 5 is focusing on the quotient rule. So what we need to do, the first thing we need to do is to add change in y to y, add change in u to u, add change in v to v. Then make change in y the subject over v plus change in v minus y. So the next is to substitute the value of y. So u plus change in u, v plus change in v minus u over v. Then the next thing is to find the LCM, which is v plus change in v. So when you find the LCM, you have v into brackets u plus change in u minus u into bracket v plus change in v. So at this point, we can clear the bracket up there. So change in y will now be uv plus v du. There will be uv minus u change in v over v into bracket v plus change in v. So the next thing is to get rid of this and this. Then the change in y will now be equal to v du minus u dv. Everything over v plus change in v. Now at this point, the next thing is to divide both sides by change in x. So we have change in y divided by change in x, v du minus u dv over v into bracket v plus change v dv.